How to fix PS5 repairing console storage error. Here are some tips that would help you fix PS5 repairing console storage error. 1. Follow that repairing console storage screen and wait it out. Do not turn off your console. And choose the accept and report option later. 2. Temporarily avoid playing Spider-Man, Remastered, Spider-Man, Miles Morales and COD, Black Ops Cold War on your PS5. And install any application update and / or PS5 update in time. Furthermore, avoid using PlayStation Store. 3. Contact PS support for more info.